How calming your vagus nerve transforms your skin, stress, and glow. Have you ever wished there was a switch inside your body, one that could calm your mind, soften your skin, balance your emotions, steady your heartbeat, and gently melt away the stress you carry? The truth is, this switch exists. And it has been inside you all along. It is called the vagus nerve, and it is one of the most powerful regulators of your beauty, your health, and the way you feel from moment to moment. Most people never learn how to activate it, even though it influences everything from digestion and hormonal balance to inflammation, sleep quality, and even the radiance of your skin. Today, you'll discover why calming this nerve can change the way your body functions, and why so many beauty problems begin to ease the moment your vagus nerve returns to balance. The modern world keeps your nervous system in a constant state of alertness. Screens, notifications, rushing, shallow breathing, emotional pressure, all of it tells your body that something is wrong, even when you're sitting still. Your heart beats slightly faster. Your breath becomes tight without you noticing. Your digestive system slows. Your muscles stay tense. Your skin loses moisture. Your face holds stress in tiny expressions that never fully relax. This constant alert state sends a message through your entire system. Survival first. Repair later. But the repair never fully comes. Your vagus nerve is the pathway that switches your body out of this survival mode. When it becomes active, cortisol drops, inflammation decreases, digestion wakes up, blood reaches your skin again, your facial muscles soften, your breath deepens, and your whole body begins to regenerate. It is the biological moment when your glow returns. To understand how powerful this nerve truly is, imagine a communication line that connects your brain to your heart, your lungs, your stomach, your intestines, and even your facial expressions. That's the vagus nerve. It is the main nerve of the parasympathetic system, which is the part of your biology responsible for healing, restoring, repairing, and bringing your body back to balance. When this system is active, your skin receives more oxygen. Your cells hydrate more easily. Nutrients get absorbed properly. Your heartbeat becomes steady and calm. Your face softens. Your eyes look brighter. Your digestive organs relax and begin to work again. Your sleep deepens, and your entire hormonal system shifts into a more balanced rhythm. Many people don't realize how deeply stress affects their appearance. When your body is tense, your skin tightens and loses elasticity. Your gut becomes sluggish, and since your gut and skin are closely connected, both begin to reflect that imbalance. Your lymphatic flow slows down, leading to puffiness. Your facial muscles harden, creating lines in places where your emotions get stuck. Your breath becomes shallow, and your body interprets that as danger. It is a cascade that affects glow, clarity, texture, and even the tone of your skin. But the moment your vagus nerve is stimulated in a gentle, natural way, everything begins to soften. You may feel a warm sensation in your chest. Your breath becomes slower without effort. Your shoulders begin to sink. Your jaw loosens. Your stomach relaxes. Your thoughts stop racing. And your body finally receives the message. You are safe. You can restore now. One of the most powerful ways the vagus nerve influences beauty is through inflammation. Inflammation is at the root of almost every skin concern: dullness, redness, breakouts, dryness, sensitivity, early aging. When the vagus nerve becomes active, it lowers inflammatory signals throughout the body, which means your skin can begin repairing itself instead of defending itself. Your digestive system also responds instantly. When the vagus nerve switches on, digestion becomes deeper and smoother. Nutrition is absorbed in a more complete way, which means your skin finally receives the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that actually make a difference. Your microbiome calms down, bloating decreases, and your gut begins to support your glow instead of working against it. There is also an emotional shift that directly shows on your face. When the vagus nerve is activated, your brain releases neurotransmitters associated with peace, safety, and closeness. Your face naturally expresses more softness, your eyes open in a different way, and your features appear more relaxed, and this alone can make you look younger and more vibrant. What many people do not realize is that your vagus nerve responds to extremely simple cues. It does not need complicated methods or long practices. Even one gentle, elongated exhale can send a message through your entire system saying, "Everything is okay, now." That's why breathing slowly out, longer than you breathe in, is so calming. Your body interprets it as the absence of threat. Sound also travels along the path of the vagus nerve. Humming or soft vocal tones create a vibration in your throat that reaches the nerve's branches. This is why singing often lifts your mood, why chanting feels grounding, and why even a soft humming in the shower can shift your whole emotional state. The body responds to vibration long before the mind understands it. Temperature shifts have a similar effect. Short exposure to cold water can bring your vagus nerve online with surprising speed. The body reacts by slowing the heart rate, deepening the breath, and activating a calming reflex that was designed to help you survive in cold environments. Even 30 seconds of cool water on your chest or face can have a noticeable effect on your clarity, your mood, and even your skin tone. Touch is another pathway. Gentle pressure along the side of your neck, a soft massage around the jawline, or even the warmth of your own hand on your chest can help stimulate the nerve. The body has always known how to respond to comforting touch. It lowers stress chemicals and replaces them with signals of safety. Connection matters too. Human closeness, eye contact, safe relationships, laughter, warmth, these experiences activate the vagus nerve in a profound way. Your body is biologically wired to regulate through connection, and when that connection is felt, the entire system shifts into a state that supports healing and beauty. The vagus nerve is not just a scientific concept. It is the bridge between your emotional world and your physical one. When it is active, beauty becomes easier. Your skin responds differently to hydration. Your routines work more effectively. Your metabolism stabilizes. Your energy returns. You feel more anchored in your body, and your glow is no longer something you try to create, it becomes something that rises naturally from within. Your body has always known how to heal. It just needs the space and the signal to begin. And the moment you give your vagus nerve even a little attention, through breath, through sound, through softness, through presence, you activate a system inside you that was designed to bring you back into balance. Your glow, your calm, your strength, they all begin with the same switch. And that switch is closer than you think. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss anything in the future. Thank you.